The next train arriving at platform 1 is the 15:45 train to Exeter, stopping at Bristol Temple Meads and arriving at Exeter St David's at 18:30.
Hi, could I have a ticket for the next train in Exeter, please?
Single or return?
Single, please.
The next train is at 14:45 p.m.
And how much in it?
13:50.
Where you are? Excuse me, which platform does the train Exeter leave from?
The 15:45 train or the 16:40?
The 15:14.
The 15:45 train leaves from platform 1.
Thanks.
Tickets, please. Can I see your ticket, please?
Yes, where you are?
This ticket is for Exeter.
Yes, that's right.
But this train doesn't go to Exeter, it goes to Liverpool.
What? Liverpool? Oh no.